guys, I'm from Math Academia, and today we'll be reviewing a question on triangles, quadrilaterals, and polygons. This question states that in the figure, AB equals to AC, alright, and BD equals to BE. So BD equals to BE, and lastly AF equals to DF. And they want us to find the angle ABC. So if we study the diagram, we will realize that this diagram is made up of three isosceles triangles. And if we recap, the property of an isosceles triangle is when we have two equal sides and two equal angles. So therefore, if we look at triangle ADF, angle ADF would equal to angle DAF. And angle BDE would equal to angle BEF. And lastly, angle ABC would equal to angle ACB. Alright, so now we have a few similar angles, and we know that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So let's name one of our unknown angle to be x. So in this case, maybe I'll choose angle BED to be angle x. So BED equals to angle x. So if BED is angle x, this would mean that angle BDE would also be x. And since triangle ADF is an isosceles triangle, angle DAF would also be angle x. So if we study the triangle BDE, we would realize that angle DBE would be 180 degrees minus 2x. And angles on the straight lines add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle ABC would be 2x. And correspondingly, angle ACB would also be 2x. So now that we have labeled all of our unknown angles, we know that the addition of the three angles in our triangle gives me 180 degrees. Therefore, angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB would give me 180 degrees. If we were to replace the angles with x, we would have x plus 2x plus 2x equals to 180 degrees. So this would mean 5x equals to 180. Therefore, x equals to 36 degrees. And we know that angle ABC is 2x. So therefore, angle ABC would be 2 times 36 degrees, which is 72 degrees. Alright, I hope you understand my explanation. Thank you.